In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Outlook on your Samsung phone. So I'm going to show you two different ways on how you can do this. So the first method is by opening up the settings on your Samsung, and then you can scroll down and click on Accounts and Backup. Now select Manage Accounts, and you can click on the Add Account button. You could then select Outlook from the list. It's then going to take you over to the sign in page, and this is where you can sign in to your Outlook account. Now I'm also going to show you another way on how you can add Outlook as well. So head back over to your home screen and go and open up the Play Store. You could then use the search box at the bottom of this page and just type in the word Outlook and then press search. You'll then see this app called Microsoft Outlook. And if you don't already have this installed, then make sure to install it. Once it has finished installing, you can go and open up the app. You can then click on the Add Account button, and once again this will take you to the sign in page, and from here you can just sign in to your Outlook account, and that's going to allow you to start using your emails on your Android phone.